Today, serverless architecture is the hottest trend in cloud computing. With its numerous benefits like reduced costs, high scalability and performance, serverless became a perfect match for the modern microservices applications. Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to implement serverless architecture in your product. Managing a serverless environment with AWS Lambda. You can choose any serverless vendors, for example Google's Cloud Functions, Microsoft's Azure Functions, Spring Cloud Functions or even FN Project. But we prefer working with AWS Lambda. The hidden danger of using AWS Lambda is the difficulty of managing a serverless environment. With many small functions and running concurrently, you get a very complex system in the end. Let's talk about its pricing. With AWS Lambda, you pay only for the resources that you use. In other words, the service charges you only for the duration of code execution and the number of requests for your functions. For example, AWS Lambda charges around 20 cents for 1 million requests. Let's talk about maintaining serverless applications. If you don't want system evolution and technical debt to cause you any trouble, design your serverless architecture with maintainability in mind. Pay attention to the following systems characteristics such as, first, how can you analyze it? Well, it defines how easy it is for you to diagnose and test the product's components. Again, if it's modifiable. Shows whether your code is modifiable without any side effects on the whole system. Testability represents how easy it is to execute tests and validate code. Modularity shows if a system is composed of independent components and if it changes to one of them affect the other. Finally, because serverless applications usually have a low module coupling, their components are discrete. Deployment means that the ability to easily deploy or install and update. Whenever the volume of traffic changes, your serverless application will auto-scale instantly. But the trick here is that all vendors have boundaries due to the RAM, CPU, I/O operation limits. So be aware of those. Take AWS Lambda for instance, it offers up to 3 GB on RAM. Well, we all know serverless architecture's benefits: system stability, high app performance and code quality, reduced time market, low cost and great scalability. That is why more and more companies choose moving to serverless rather than maintaining their own server infrastructure. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.